Welcome back everybody, VSTK Balance Piece Tech. Today Samsung released a bunch of updates, or at least today is the time I'm saying this. So stock updates for Samsung Calendar, check out video trimmer the Bixby, a new version for the expert role, Samsung text-to-speech, but also very important, some of the Good Lock modules have been updated like the Lock Star and also the Clockface and Good Lock itself. Now guys, I will spare you all the stock applications that has been updated without having a change log, or let's say what's new like this one here, right? You just get an update, you don't know anything. Samsung Calendar though has a change log, that's why I decided to show this to you. What is new in this version that is actually the one from 8th of April, version 12.3047.000. Supports calendar cover widget on the Galaxy Z Flip 3. If you have the Flip 3, then you can test this. And also provides a brightness option for the color of events. So I'm going to update that one, okay? Samsung checkout, the video trimmer, the Bixby don't have anything new. I'm just gonna show you guys. You just go inside Bixby, boom. There is nothing new, of course. There is a new version, and this version is 70 megabytes from 11th of April, but yeah, you don't know what is really changed. So I'm just gonna leave this behind. Now to the applications that get a change log, expert role. Very exciting applications. I did probably a few videos already on this one. Yeah, just you can check them there. Samsung expert role lets you shoot raw images, also using HDR. And there are a bunch of controls, manual controls that you can do on all the lenses, on the 3x, on the 10x, on the ultra-wide camera. So it's really very exciting. They have now created a new version 1001. This version is from April the 8th. The clarity enhanced in extreme low light. Please use the latest software through the update. So in order for this to be working, you need to make sure that you're running the latest April patch. I covered this as well, you can check it there, and then install it. By the way, this is not the first time we are seeing in a changelog for expert role clarity enhancement. I did a very detailed video, you can check it there, and I tested this, right? And of course, there were some differences between the new improved clarity photos and the old one. You can just check them there. The HDR seems to kick in very hard, and the white balance is a bit different, and etc. Okay, so I've updated this one as well. Now, Good Lock info, you know, Good Lock, all the fun stuff starts here. They updated it to the version 2204, and there is also a changelog. They fixed the problem of showing repeated purchase item pop-up. Now, I don't know what this is, but it is indeed a new version from the 5th of April, only 3 megabytes, so it's not a huge one. Updating this one, and then we have Lockstar. So Lockstar has been now updated to the version 3005. Fix the help text size error in the lock screen. All right, this is just not really something related to the module. It's just more on the settings in the help. And probably the most important update for this round is Clockface. Clockface now has been updated to the version 2238. This version is from the 6th of April. It's 81 megabytes. They've improved the time delay connecting to the Clockface service here, you know, with a service, not really spelled like this, but okay, let's just close the eyes and read this one more time. Improve the time delay connecting to Clockface service when lock screen or AOD turns on. All right, so you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to update the Clockface. I'm going to put my AOD or always on display to on. I'm gonna set up a custom clock face and see what is going to happen. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's do it. I'm now back in my settings menu. I'm gonna go to display and I'm going to go here to always on display. Once I'm there, right now I have the option tab to show. I will show this now always, okay? Now after my always on display is always on, I'm gonna go to Good Lock and I'm going to go inside clock face. Now guys, clock style, I'm able to edit and set a custom clock style for the always on display and the lock screen. Right now, I'm going to choose the always on display and then clock face is going to start and I'll be able to choose something from all the presets. The Lego boy was one of my default choices before, but you know what, there's so many, so let's just try to choose something. Yeah, let's choose this one. No, this one with the moon. Okay, now I'm choosing this one, apply clock face. All right, what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to also set a custom clock on my lock screen. All right, just in case that we test it all. Ooh, okay. And for that, let's choose this one, the Panda, why not? All right, it's now applied. Okay, now see here, I have the standard clock here. All right, now testing the always on display. Where if, ooh, okay, Yep. Now I'm gonna hit my power button one more time to just get, oh, and I get it. I get also the clock here on my lock screen. So one more time. All right, power off. We have the custom always on display. Here we see custom clock face. Okay, and I'm gonna do a double tap. Boom. Now it's there. Let's just do one more test. Wait a bit. Okay. Boom. We have now the custom clock face on the always on display, and also this appears on the lock screen. It does really work quite quick. I didn't really had any problems with the previous version, but now Samsung are claiming that, yeah, it is even faster. And by the way, this was enough for today's video. If you have liked the video, you know what to do. Don't forget to really hit the like button. Also subscribe for the channel, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.